A very lovely morning to each and everyone present here. This is Yuvan standing before you to present today's morning assembly on the theme Humanity Key to World Peace. As we all know that no program can be started without remembering the Almighty, the creator of the whole universe. So, now I would like to call upon Nishita to recite the shloka and explain its meaning.
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. May all be happy. May all be without disease. May all creatures have well-being and none be in misery of any sort. May peace and peace and peace be everywhere. Thank you.
Thank you, Nishita. Let's follow our duty with complete faith in ourselves by repeating the pledge after Aryan.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and will treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion and I will bring and prosperity alone, life and happiness. Jai Hind!
Thank you, Aryan, for reminding us our duties. Now, let's make our day more refreshing. Here comes Darsh Prajapati with his wonderful thought.
Respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends, good morning everyone. I am Das Prajapati going to present today's thought. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If a few drops of our ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. Thank you.
Thank you, Darsh, for your superb thought. Here is my friend, Samrit, to tell us how humanity is key to world peace.
Good morning everyone. I am Samrit Singh to stand before you to express the views on the topic humanity. Dear friends, when we rise in the morning and listen to the news or read newspaper, we confront with the same sad news as poverty, disasters, which is seriously the breaking progress of our modern world. In such situation, it can be easy to lose faith in humanity, and it becomes important to view that as serious issues that need to be resolved. Dear friends, such world problems and conflict arise because we have lost humanity that blinds us all human family. Someone beautifully said, the sole meaning of life is to serve humanity. Thank you.
Thank you, Samrit, for your wonderful message. So, now I would like to call upon Shriman to express his views on humanity.
A very good morning to everyone. This is Shriman standing before you to present today's topic humanity. Humanity means caring and helping others whenever, wherever possible. It means extending unconditional love to each and every being on earth, and love makes the world go around. Let us promote love for us and for the world around us. Let us sow the seeds of humanity and give hand interplanets, blooming and glowing with peace and love. Let us move ahead. Let us help to survive humanity and forget our selfish interests time when others need our help. Thank you.
Thank you, Shriman, for your amazing words. We, the new children, have put a skit which depicts the value of caring and kindness. So, here it is.
The man in the queue. It is Grandma's birthday today. Mary and Grandma went to the bakery to buy him a cake. It was quite crowded. They were standing in a queue. Look, Grandma, they just are taking to the counter. The grandpa's favorite. Let us buy the cake. No, Mary, we cannot buy the cake. But why, Grandma? The cake is just perfect for Grandma. The cake is too expensive, right? We cannot afford it. Maybe next time. Let me see, Grandma. How much the cake is? It is 1,000 rupees, sir. Suddenly the man standing in front of man in the queue turns back, holding the same cake in the hand. Dear child, take the cake. This is my gift for your grandpa. Mary light up with happiness and hope, but grandma prevents her from taking it. No. Sir, thank you very much for your generosity, but we cannot accept it. We don't have the money to pay for it. I will not worry. You can always pay me later. Grandma, can we take it now? I save my pocket money and to them will pay for it. Sir, please write down the name and address in this paper where I can contact you. The stranger writes down something on the paper and hands it over to Mary. Years ago, it was my 7th birthday. Mama took me to the cake shop. I fell in love with a beautiful cake sitting on the counter. But my mother told me that she did not have the money to buy it for me. Just then the man in the queue in front of me ran back and offered me the cake. His simple act of kindness made us 7 years old stay. Promise me, dear child, whenever you get a chance, be the man in the queue. Okay, sir. Goodbye. Mary and Grandma came home happily when Grandpa saw the cake. His eyes light up with happiness, but a sudden wave of apprehension shadowed his face. Why did you buy such an expensive cake, dear? No, Grandpa. A man in the queue paid for it. Here, his name and address. Let's see it. Grandpa's eyes became misty as he unfolded the paper and read it. Years ago, I had given the same note, the cake to a little 7-year-old child. I had written an act of caring, brilliant circle that goes on and on. Grandma, can we celebrate Grandma's birthday now? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, my dear. Happy birthday to you. And I am Youngest, played the role of shopkeeper. I am Shriman, played the role of tender. I am Charlie, played the role of Mary. I am Hankita, played the role of grandma. I am Karthik, played the role of grandpa. I am Jan, played the role of narrator. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, friends, for enlightening us through a beautiful skit. Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life. Some of our friends are going to showcase us a beautiful dance. Let's witness it.
वो है रंगीला, शेर छबीला, वो है नटखट, वो जमुना तट, खेले हवाएं खुली बजाए, गोपियों के संग नाच जाए, भूली बजे आवाज़ जिया शाम से जुड़ा है,
जो है अलविदा बदनों जागी न सोई, प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोई, प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोई। दुनिया से है वो अनजानी, सब कहते हैं प्रेम दीवानी, किसना से मिलती है भूल के हर बंधन, हो किसना की माला की जपती है वो जोगन।
Thank you, friends, for such a lovely performance. Let us plant the seed of humanity in our heart and it will blossom into peace. Let there be peace on everywhere and let it begin with us. I want to extend our sincere thanks to our respected principal sir for giving us this wonderful opportunity to present this class assembly. Now, we are end of today's morning assembly. The simplest way to display our love and loyalty to our country is to sing national anthem.